Here we come to the parking elevators at Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. These are ESCO. Innovation replaced a call station on the first floor. And they're still original. Ford? I'm gonna place my water bottle to the side. All right, hopefully we should do an uninterrupted ride because I really want to hear the motor. Full silent trip, both up and back down. There goes the other elevator. Hopefully, here we go. I was hoping to hear the motor without any interruptions, especially the other elevator car going at the same time. I'm gonna send this up and we'll catch another elevator car. Oh, here's this one. Part of my luggage. And all indicator works on this one. You can come inside.
Okay.
What floor would you like, sir?
Please.
I'm actually going to be going there a little bit after I get done filming these beautiful old vintage elevators. Those are the only ones left remaining in this entire airport.
Really?
Yep.
That's interesting.
I used to ride these elevators as a child.
Oh, wow.
Original ESCO. As I'm really into elevator photography.
Yeah, good for you.
All right, have a great rest of the day, sir.
You have a blessed day, my friend.
fixtures, at least the floor buttons, were replaced with innovation, but the door open button is the original GAL. And there goes the other elevator. Perfect. I got a full nonstop and uninterrupted ride, even though I had to cut parts out of it. Because people were getting on. But anyways, there they go, and that's it.